Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about if-else function in RStudio. In the previous video, we have discussed about if-else statement or if-else command you can say, but now we are going to create a function of if-else, right? In R, this if-else function, this is a very you can say shorthand alternative wherein of alternative of if-else statement. Fine. Now another, what we are going to do with this if-else, let's suppose I want to create a if-else function for odd or even numbers. All right. Now for that, let's suppose I have to create one input vector. For that, let's suppose I am creating a variable x. In this I am like including some variables, some different numbers. Let's suppose 15 comma 18 comma sorry wait a second 15 comma 12 comma 18 comma 17 comma 10 comma 13 comma 16 comma 11. These are some values which I have created in this. All right. Now to create a if else function, what it will be, if else bracket open, if x is divisible by 2. What is it? If x is divisible by 2, obviously then only it is going to be the even number, है ना? If x is divisible by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, then it should print even. All right. Else, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then it should print odd. Right now you can see the first number 15 was an odd number, because obviously we all know the concept of even and odd. 15 is odd, 12 is even. So for every consecutive value, it has changed or it has given me the appropriate output. Right. Now let's create another if-else function for the students who are getting passed in their exams or who are getting failed in their exams. Right. Now if I say I am creating a vector of marks in which students are scoring different marks, let's suppose 56, 78, 89, 90, 95, 56, 85 and so on. Right. Now if I say if else marks are less than 40, ठीक है, or let's suppose I keep it as 50 से भी नीचे कोई नहीं है, let's suppose I keep it as 60. All right. Then if the marks are less than 60, obviously they are fail, else they are pass. So now you can see the difference. So this program is determining if the students have passed or failed based on the condition, right? And I kept the condition as if the marks are less than 60. All right. So this was a very small session of if-else function. If you people understood my video, then please share it as much as you can and subscribe to my channel. Mention your views in my comment section of the video. Thank you.